Have you ever yearned to understand the secrets of the universe? Do you seek profound wisdom that transcends the boundaries of our known existence? Look no further, as Alex Collier is here to ignite your mind and spirit with his extraordinary encounters with the Andromedan civilization. Alex Collier has dedicated his life to sharing the profound messages and teachings he has received from our cosmic neighbors, the Andromedans. His experiences have transformed the lives of countless individuals across the globe, and today, we're honored to bring you his extraordinary insights and revelations. But before we delve into the depths of cosmic knowledge, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to join our incredible community. Trust us, you won't want to miss a single moment of the knowledge Alex Collier imparts. Sit back and relax and listen to Alex Collier answering the question of what we can do to help the Ascension process.
Hi, Alex. I know it just pops up in front of my eyes. I know you say we have already won, but we have all this outside help and so on. But I look around this world in my country, America, and I don't see it. I supposedly chose to come here at this time to help in this transition, but I don't know what to do to help. I know you say things like hold the light, but what does that mean? I need concrete examples of what I can do. Right now, I'm feeling overwhelmed by all the evil and powerless to change it.
Okay. I get it, Penny. I totally get it. So I will tell you what I've done, and I've encouraged others to do. And I am happy to report that this system that I'm about to share with you works. It's really, really simple. Turn off the news. Don't listen to any news. Just don't listen to the news. Don't listen to any effing media. And what you're going to find is that not only are you happier, but you're drawing other people to you who have done exactly the same thing. They have already left the old world behind them. All that's left is the future. You will be amazed at how clear everything suddenly becomes if you're not listening to the fucking media. It's poison, Penny. It's absolutely poison. And I know you know this. But if you're listening to the media searching for truth, you're never going to get it there. There are blogs, chat rooms where you can get information. Telegram is a good place to start. There are some people you could follow that are really, really good. And then that's it. You know, you really only need 3 or 4, maybe 5 of those alternative sources, and you get a very good perspective of the world, but you're not getting the brainwashing. You're not getting the doom and gloom. You're not getting the programming. You're not being told how much we suck. You're not getting the white people are the cause of everything, which is such bullshit. Okay? In fact, Patriot Street Fighter did something, and this was sent to me. I can't remember the young man's name, Patriot Street Fighter. But he did a thing with Larry Gaithers, Reverend Larry Gaithers. I love him. He's off the charts great. And he talks about how the Khazarian Jews were the ones who started the Ku Klux Klan. It had nothing to do with whites. Anyway, just it's informative, it's funny, it'll get you riled up, it'll make you laugh, it'll piss you off, and then it'll put you in a place of, God, these people are so messed up. You know, you'll experience the whole thing But at the end of it, you have very clear perspective. But the mainstream media is just turn it off. Just turn it off. I don't listen to anything on the television anymore that isn't sports. And right now, baseball's pissed me off with that whole bullshit thing going on in Atlanta, because you got to have an ID to vote, right? Major League Baseball pulled it because Georgia wants you to have an ID in order to vote. You have to have an ID to go to will call to pick up your goddamn tickets to a ball game. The hypocrisy of that. And they're moving it to Denver, where the election laws are tougher than what Georgia just passed. Come on. They're morons. They're these people running these corporations. They're idiots. They have an agenda. Well, let's bankrupt them. It's real simple. You won't get our money. You won't get our attention anymore. You're done. And that's how you do it. So I've stopped watching the Yankees. Pisses me off, but I have, because my sanity is more important than any of that shit. So, what's left of my sanity? Everybody's nodding their head. Yeah, right, Collier. Anyway, that's what I've done. I've had to do it because I'm dealing with some stress issues, and physically it's taking its toll on me again. So just try doing that. Literally, go and get a nice tablecloth at a store, a used store, thrift store, something really nice, and just cover your television with it and put a plant on it and just forget it isn't there, and listen to music, talk to people, go online and get some information that you're interested in, seek it out where someone's not talking in your ear incessantly telling you how bad we are, because it's all bullshit. It's all bullshit. If we're so bad, why is nature trying to make us ascend into a higher octave? Right? Right. That's my answer. May not be good enough, Penny, but I'm sorry, that's my answer.
We are immensely grateful for your support, as it enables us to continue sharing knowledge that transforms lives and expands consciousness. So please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell for cosmic notifications. Thank you for being an integral part of our cosmic journey. Stay curious, stay open-minded, and most importantly, stay connected. Together, we'll navigate the vast cosmic tapestry hand in hand. Until our next adventure, fellow truth seekers. If you would like to see Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we host an online seminar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information and dates of upcoming online seminars, please visit alexcollier.org. Please click on one of the above videos to seek more of Alex Collier's knowledge.